Okay guys, happy weekends. So today will be another review session. I'm so excited that my desk is here. But however, they left it outside. And let's go and check it out and see what they have outside. Let's go and check it out. I just took out all the stuff for After 6 Hustler, which I will tell you in a while. So let's get this. Check it. Okay, seriously, it was heavier than I thought. But okay, so I'm just doing this review. I'm not sponsored by Omnidesk. If only they're gonna sponsor me for my next table. And this time I make sure they do the delivery and the setup. Gosh. Okay, so this is what I ordered from Omnidesk. I ordered the Omnidesk Pro. I added the additional warranty of 5 years. I got the cable bar management, and then I got the mounted power bar, and I got the flat edge 72-inch black. That's the biggest that they have, and also the table leg in black. So all in all, I'm not gonna say how much. It's gonna be my kind of investment. This IKEA table here has been with me for, I think, close 5 years, and it has been great. Okay, so for those who would need a table or who wants a table, you can just DM me. I will be giving this away. Okay, so thank you so much. Now it's time for the fixing part, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it now. Should I?
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so there is it. There's the whole setup. It took me about 3 hours to do it alone. So if you're ever planning to do it alone, I suggest you just pay for them to actually fix it up for you. It's actually quite complicated. I had to read the manual like 2-3 times before I actually understand. But it's fine, since I'm doing it alone also as well. And I really love the quality of this desk as of now. Okay, I will do another review maybe 2-3 weeks later after that. But I cannot, stop touching this thing. That can goes, it goes up and down. Yeah, so that's the interesting part, and I've cleared most of the things that are downstairs, so it's not very messy. Very good cable management. And for those who are actually thinking to invest a desk. In a desk, you need a work desk. You use it every day. Like for example, for me, starting work from home. Yeah, and also even though if I'm not working from home, I still use this to actually edit. And if you can see, I'm using a small monitor because I sold off my ultra wide monitor. Most probably I'll be getting a 4K one, so it can sync together with the TV that's in front. And also hopefully I can get video projects which maybe a client wants it in 4K. So thank you so much. It's gonna be breaking fast time. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's very tiring. I'm actually doing it during fasting month also as well, but it's not a reason. So take care, stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.